The game would be scoreless in the opening quarter, but comes to life in the second. Devontae Freeman caps up a 5-yard play for Atlanta with a 5-yard run to make it 7-zip. The Falcons double the lead as Ryan finds Austin Hooper in the end zone from 19 yards out. Atlanta blew the game open when Robert Alford picks off Tom Brady and goes the other way for a score, 21-0 Falcons. 21-3 the score as we get to Lady Gaga's halftime performance. The Birds add to the margin in the third as Ryan finds Tevin Coleman for a 6-yard score, 28-3 now. New England mount a comeback. Brady finds James White from 5 yards out, 28-9. And 2 touchdowns in the final quarter and a 2-point conversion sees the Patriots tie things at 28, forcing overtime for the first time in Super Bowl history. And the Pats complete the comeback as James White adds his 3rd touchdown of the game. New England come from 25 points down to win at 34-28 and win their 5th Super Bowl crown, Brady becoming the first quarterback to win 5 titles and was named Game MVP.